Strange told me that we got some new demonic visitors.
No way, you tell me, devil? Have you ever looked to mirror? I'm a hero.
A hero. Don't make me laugh. If you want to fight, come on and show what you got.
Okay, you ask for it.
Wow!
Wow, you are too fast.
Thanks, I try my best always. Now enough talk, let's see what you will do with those webs.
Ouch. It hurts but can't stop me.
Looks like another round is already started. Hold up, you hear that?
Boy, let's stop this fight right now. I have a lot of work to do.
Wait for me, let me help, I can be so useful.